Hey guys, welcome to the last video of our Google Maps portion of this SEO workshop. By now you've learned a ton about Google Maps, I'm sure. You've learned how a well-reviewed Maps listing can land you right at the top of Google Search Fast, and you have also gone ahead, created your Maps listing, filled out your business profile, and have collected 30 plus reviews in the process, so go you! You are now well on your way to ranking in Google, so that's awesome. We're going to head into the next module soon, but first we just need to talk about ongoing maintenance. So obviously maintenance is probably the least sexy word in all of any creative's vocabulary, but it is an essential part of keeping your Maps listing ranking and your website ranking because, as we mentioned before, active content is considered relevant by Google. So you need to keep your Maps listing active and engaged. So luckily, this is super straightforward and simple. It's as easy as keeping your page active, posting new content. So what kind of content does this mean? Well, there are three main types. One is new portfolio images. So as you are updating your portfolio, just make sure every once in a while to chuck a new image onto your Google Maps listing. So that's as simple as going over here, going to add photo, finding the photo that you want to add, and updating it onto your listing. Now, the next thing that you can update with is links to new posts. You simply go to create post, and you're going to add your featured image, write a short write-up on my post. So my post is awesome, check it out. And then I would link to the post here, and that will keep my content fresh in Google's eyes. Now, lastly, the one thing that you want to make sure to do is respond to all reviews on your Google page. Whether they're good or bad, Google looks at it better and looks at your business as being maintained and active when you are responding to reviews. So when people leave a review, hey, it's just good etiquette to respond and say, thanks so much for your review. We really loved hanging out with you. We loved working with you, or thank you for your feedback. And if you have a negative review, you have the chance both to apologize to that person, which you should always do whether you are right or wrong. Just side note, that is a quick tip. Always apologize and try to empathize first. And then for future customers, you can explain exactly why the situation worked out the way that it did and provide hopefully good reasons for the way that things turned out. So make sure to respond to your reviews. It's as simple as going to reviews and hitting reply. Make sure to add new posts and new images to keep your content fresh, and you are well on your way to maintaining that ranking Google Maps listing.